Camille, right? Are you having a wonderful
I
time?
had a great time. I had a great time. As you can see, I'm a little bit emotional right now because I don't want to leave. It's a great learning. I have a lot to go tell when I go back to the US. I love it. I don't want to go back.
Wow. Wow. So you have any message for your brothers and sisters in the diaspora?
You all need to come and experience this. This is the best experience that I have ever had. Um, it's a little bit late coming here. I did this a little bit too late. I'm too much behind. And you who have the time, please come and see and come with an open mind and experience good history, good food, good breeze, good people.
So how many days have you been having these emotional feelings? How many days have you spent in the Cape Coast so far?
I think I've been here to Cape Cod for like today's my third day.
Just 3 days?
I believe so. And and I think I've been emotional since yesterday by visiting the
The dungeons?
the dungeon. You guys have no idea what dungeon is because when I heard it, I don't know. I thought that was a boxing ring or anything. You
Yeah.
people need to come and see. Telling you, you'll never understand it. Come and experience it yourself. See your ancestors being what they created for us, what they went through, because you definitely will feel it. When they were telling me, I could not understand it until I come and see.
Oh,
So
great, great, great. Thank you very much for your time, Camille. I just hope you continue having a nice moment.
thank you.
Yes, brother, this is the tour guide. We're about to close up. Tell us something. Yeah.
Oh yeah, tour guide is a very interesting profession. I've been in it for 21 years now. Talking about security, almost everything that I can think of. This group has been a very wonderful group. Always we have a wonderful group, but they exceed all those who have been here. I've been with Bomani since 2007, and he's a very wonderful guy. Bomani, well done for organizing this trip. Talking about the conferences that we've been having, some of our brothers and sisters have taken a very good initiative to come and invest in the land. You see, one thing is that when you take a decision to come, it's a bold step. The next step that you take is to make sure you are creating some economic enclave or economic enclave for your brother or sister here, at least to be able to feed his family. When you bring a business here, you have all the gadgets, all the things over there. But if you are able, when I talk about all the things, I'm talking about what you have learned so far over there. You are there working. This is your home. You were sent there to go and work. Now we have a door of return. So you have to return to your motherland. Whatever you have learned there, teach your brothers and sisters over here for them also to come up there. And our hands are open. We are inviting each and everyone to come over and then share whatever we have. There is more land for you. People are very good over here, and you have no problem at all. Talking about crime, crime is very, very low in Ghana, so you have no problem. We all know that there are fraudsters everywhere, even in New York, whatever, all over the world there are fraudsters. There are this, there are that. But I bet you when you come to Ghana, the level of it is very, very low. Our brothers and sisters who are there, those who want to get married, hey, there are young guys here that you can get married.
Yes, that's what's up.
Yes, our culture, our traditions, our customs are very distinct. So you are all invited to come over to Ghana.
Beautiful,
Have this
beautiful.
with us. God bless
Beautiful,
you.
thank you, Brother Kwabena. Now we're heading to our next client.